Welcome to our comprehensive course on mastering Adobe Photoshop, the industry-standard image editing software that has revolutionized the world of digital art and design. Whether you're a photographer looking to enhance your images, a graphic designer crafting stunning visuals, or an artist exploring the digital realm, this course is your gateway to unparalleled creative possibilities. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful tool that allows you to transform your ideas into reality. With its vast array of features, you can retouch photos, create digital paintings, design logos, and much more. In this course, we'll delve into the heart of Photoshop, covering everything from the basics to advanced techniques that will elevate your skills to a professional level. Throughout this course, you'll learn how to navigate the Photoshop interface, master selection tools, work with layers, and apply filters and effects to enhance your images. We'll explore the art of retouching, the magic of masking, and the precision of vector masks. You'll see firsthand how designers and artists use Photoshop to bring their visions to life, and you'll have the opportunity to practice what you learn with hands-on exercises and real-world projects. Imagine creating your own digital art, designing a professional logo, or retouching photos to perfection. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to turn these visions into reality.
Before taking this course, I was overwhelmed by Photoshop's complexity, but the structured lessons made it easy to understand and apply.
I've been able to take my photography to the next level with the retouching skills I've learned here.
We're committed to your success, which is why we've structured this course to be both comprehensive and accessible. Each lesson builds upon the last, ensuring you have a solid foundation before moving on to more advanced techniques. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of Adobe Photoshop and join the ranks of creative professionals? Enroll now and let's start your journey to becoming a Photoshop master.